Well, the main threat with this storm is going to continue to be the threat of heavy rainfall. That's why a flood watch is in effect for all of Acadiana. Cumulative rains through Wednesday, maybe Thursday, at least 3 to 8 inches. So we're guaranteeing pretty much everybody sees 3 or 4 inches of rain. Could go as high as 8 or 9 inches, but we could see isolated spots pushing a foot. But where that occurs, nobody could tell you. We're going to show you some estimates coming up in the main weathercast coming up in just a little bit. Here's the core of the tropical storm here. This is going to kind of meander along the Texas coast over the next couple of days, eventually make a run for Louisiana, but as a tropical depression or weak low. But what we will be watching, especially east of the storm, and these tropical rain bands, they've been storming out in the Gulf of Mexico. That system out there has probably produced 15-20 inches of rain today, but fortunately not inland, and that's what we'll be on the lookout for. So here's the weak tropical storm, 45-mile-per-hour winds, still some gusty winds offshore. Tides along the coast stay 1 to 3 feet, and that's not going to change at least until this low pressure system gets east of us, and that doesn't happen until we get into the latter part of Thursday. Again, you can see the storm track down to a depression moving through southwest Louisiana tomorrow night into Thursday, and then clearing the area, we think, by Thursday afternoon or evening. We'll talk more about this system coming up, of course, in the main weathercast. Next 24 hours, though, rain chances staying elevated. Could storm at any time. It's not going to storm continuously, but for tomorrow, best rain chances through the mid-afternoon, then tapering off as we get into tomorrow evening. More on Tropical Storm Beta's rainfall across the area, the latest rainfall projections and computer model guidance coming up in just a bit.